These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier for Baker Distributing Company, which is a subsidiary of Watsco Incorporated. The brand features all aluminum refrigerant coils which resist corrosion in fixed-speed ECM blower motors, which are quieter and more efficient than PSC motors. The air handlers have factory-installed TXV refrigerant controls, and the brand is backed by a pretty good guarantee. The WBHL models can provide from 5 to 15 kW of electric heat, while the WAHL models offer from 5 to 30 kW. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.